Good morning, everybody. Nothing really new for the day today. The outline is posted, things that you should work on. The main objective is to get ready for tomorrow's Chapter 8 test. Um, it will be open from 9:30 to 3:30. So in other words, you need to take the test within a 2-hour block from 9:30 to 3:30. Okay? So you have 2 hours once you open the test to finish the test, and you can take it anytime between 9:30 and 3:30. Make sure you submit the Chapter 8 homework. There will be a link for the Chapter 8 homework to be submitted. And then for those of you that have anything missing still, that includes tests. Chapter 6, 7 test is a common one. There's a lot of you that still need to take that. Hopefully that's done today so you don't have 2 tests in one day. Late labs, all of that stuff is due tomorrow, 3:30, or the testing is done by 3:30, I think, yeah, by 3:30. Okay? So all that late stuff is due tomorrow. Okay? If you have any questions or whatever, just send me a message through Schoology, or you have my cell number. You can text me or call me if you want. You can come in during office hours. There's 3 office hours scheduled throughout the day today. Stop in at any one of those if you need to ask questions or whatever, clarification, review for the test, anything like that. That's what those times are set aside for, so please take advantage of them. Kind of lonely sitting here in front of my computer with nobody to talk to. Anyways, hope you're doing well, and get a structure, a school study structure. I think that will help you as best you can with other things that are going on in your life. But some of you have some childcare, daycare, babysitting, siblings, whatever, errands to run for family. I understand that, but try to get as structured of a school schedule as you can get. I think that will help you stay on track. Again, stay in touch, text, email, Schoology, whatever. Love to hear from you. Take care. Have a good day. Good luck on the test tomorrow.